In 1964, Russian astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev figured that civilizations can be categorized by the total amount of energy available to them. He called it the Kardashev Scale. Initially, he came up with 3 civilization types: Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3. However, other astronomers have recently extended the scale from Type 0 all the way to Type 6 as new theories in modern physics have emerged. Some people have gone as far as to categorize Type 7 and beyond. When the Kardashev scale was first proposed, Carl Sagan, an American astronomer and astrophysicist, derived a formula to calculate any given civilization's Kardashev ranking in terms of its power or energy use over time. It is due to this fact that the Kardashev scale is continuous in nature, so a civilization can in fact be any value in between the given types. So let's examine these different types of civilizations and some of the things they can accomplish. A Type 0 civilization, unlike the more advanced types on the Kardashev scale, has not yet fully harnessed the energy potential of its home planet. Such a civilization relies primarily on fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas, along with some renewable energy sources like solar and wind. They are still in the early stages of technological development and face significant challenges in managing their energy needs, environmental impact, and resource sustainability. Their technology and infrastructure are not advanced enough to control natural forces or prevent large-scale disasters. Earth, in its current state, is considered a Type 0 civilization, as we have not yet achieved the ability to fully utilize and control the planet's energy resources efficiently and sustainably. A Type 1 civilization on the Kardashev scale is one that has achieved mastery over the energy resources of its home planet. This means they can harness and utilize all the available energy on their planet, including solar, wind, geothermal, and other natural resources. This level of technological advancement allows them to fully control and manipulate their environment, leading to the ability to prevent natural disasters, manage climate, and sustain their population with high efficiency. Earth is currently approaching this stage, but a true Type 1 civilization would have global-scale infrastructure, unified energy management, and a highly advanced society capable of thriving sustainably with the planet's resources. A Type 2 civilization, according to the Kardashev scale, is an intermediate technologically advanced society capable of harnessing the energy radiated by its own star. To achieve this status, they might construct a Dyson sphere, a theoretical megastructure that encapsulates the sun to extract all of its energy. Such a civilization could control multiple stellar systems and potentially employ faster-than-light travel. Imagine the ability to manipulate natural forces, including volcanoes, weather, and earthquakes. A remarkable feat compared to our current primitive energy usage as a Type 0 civilization. A Type 3 civilization represents the pinnacle of technological advancement. These extraordinary societies can harness the energy output of an entire galaxy, a staggering feat that dwarfs even the achievements of a Type 2 civilization. Imagine a civilization that can colonize the entire galaxy and tap into the energy radiated by billions of stars within it. Their mastery extends to intergalactic travel, communication via subspace, and galaxy-scale engineering. In essence, a Type 3 civilization stands at the zenith of cosmic energy utilization, with power levels approximately 10 billion times greater than those of a Type 2 civilization. A Type 4 civilization on the Kardashev scale is a hypothetical level of technological advancement that far exceeds the capabilities of a Type 3 civilization. Such a civilization would be able to harness and control energy on the scale of the entire universe. This means they could potentially manipulate energy from countless galaxies, tap into the power of black holes, and utilize dark matter and dark energy. The technological prowess of a Type 4 civilization would likely involve advanced knowledge of the fundamental laws of physics, allowing them to alter space-time, perform intergalactic travel, and perhaps even create or destroy stars and planets. Their influence and energy consumption would be so vast that they would be indistinguishable from natural cosmic processes. Universal scale is seen in Type 4, but also possess the ability to control and manipulate multiple universes within a multiverse. Their understanding of physics would transcend our current comprehension, allowing them Type 5 civilization, an extension beyond the Kardashev scale, represent an unimaginable level of technological and energy manipulation prowess. This civilization would not only harness energy to create, destroy, and alter entire universes, but possibly manipulate the fabric of reality itself. They might have the capability to navigate and interact with parallel dimensions, harness exotic forms of energy, and achieve feats that would appear godlike to lower civilizations. The scope and scale of a Type 5 civilization's power and influence would be so immense that they would appear omnipotent, seamlessly blending the lines between technology and nature. A Type 6 civilization, an almost unimaginable concept, would transcend even the vast capabilities of a Type 5 civilization. This civilization would possess control over the multiverse, with the ability to create, destroy, and manipulate multiple multiverses. Their understanding of physics and existence would go beyond the fundamental laws known to us, allowing them to influence higher dimensional spaces and even the meta-laws governing the multiverse itself. They could potentially engineer entire realities, alter the constants of nature, and manipulate the very essence of existence. A Type 6 civilization's power would be so profound that it might exist beyond time and space as we know it, operating on a level that is indistinguishable from the most abstract forms of omnipotence and omniscience. Their capabilities would make them appear as deities, not only to lesser civilizations, but to any conceivable form of intelligence within or beyond the multiverse. For a Type 7 civilization to exist, it would require a structure beyond anything we have ever seen. This is where the concept of the omniverse comes in, setting a Type 7 civilization apart from a Type 6. The omniverse is an infinite structure that contains everything, including all that we can perceive, think of, or imagine. Higher dimensions, different types of civilizations, concepts, and structures all exist within the omniverse, since there is nothing beyond it. Many believe there is only one omniverse. For this reason, a Type 7 civilization is theorized to be more than just a civilization. It is thought to be a single entity that controls everything. This being would be omnipotent, all-powerful, omnipresent, present everywhere, and omniscient, all-knowing. To many, this would be akin to God, the creator of all things, responsible for every timeline of past, present, and future. Like a Type 6 civilization, this entity would have absolute knowledge of everything. But unlike a Type 6, it would have no need to ask further questions because it already knows everything. All questions, answers, knowns, and unknowns would simply exist as part of this being. Nothing can be hidden from a Type 7 entity, and nothing can exist beyond it. It is the ultimate level of existence that anyone could ever hope to achieve. Whether humanity can ever reach such a level is uncertain, but if we continue to progress, there is no telling what we might accomplish. While reaching Type 7 might be far off, our journey of learning and progress goes on. Who knows what amazing discoveries await us as we explore the universe?